If you will bring me a supply of samples of this new breakfast food, it will try to close the deal with the firm myself. Full stop. During the course of my lecture, I will try to show how the progress of art is related to the growth of industry. Full stop. When I know what the proposed water power scheme includes, I shall be glad to express my views. Full stop. A loud voice troubles and annoys us. Full stop. Pleasant voices resemble sweet music. Full stop. Castles in the air are fabric which soon crumble, but dreamers have solved many a pressing problem. Full stop. Few people are able themselves to better the labor of those they blame. Full stop. Para. Dear sirs, because of the rapidly increasing cost of copper and steel, we are obliged to increase the prices of many of the articles included in our catalog. Full stop. We extremely regret the necessity of passing on the higher charges to our customers, but at the present time this is the only possible course we can follow. Full stop. You will be notified when better terms are available on our supplies, and we are thus unable to reduce the prices. Full stop. Yours truly. And close.